In honor of Mental Health Awareness Week, I wanted to shed some light on this topic that millions of people suffer from each year. Every year, 800,000 people die due to taking their own life. Mental illness of any kind, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, you name it, is debilitating. It makes it hard to get out of bed, it makes it hard to understand daily life, and it makes it hard for anyone to understand what you're going through. Mental illness is the leading cause of disability worldwide. Sometimes it's hard to understand the feeling of overwhelming sadness, the feeling of loss. One minute you're motivated and ready to go for the day, and the next minute you crash. You don't know why. You shut the curtains, you go back to bed, and you just cry. For what reason? You don't know. 25 million Americans suffer from depression. Depression is one of those things where you're in a group of people and you're fine. You're laughing, you're smiling, but deep down no one really knows how you feel, and you don't know how to ask for help. 50% of people who take their own life suffer from depression and other mental illnesses. But I'm here to tell you that there is help for you. I want to encourage everyone to go into the description box and click the link to go to betterhelp.com, where you can get affordable at-home counseling in the privacy of your own home, in the woods, at the gym, in the bathroom, wherever you want. There is someone out there that can help you. All you have to do is go to their site, take a survey, and get matched with one of their licensed therapists that can specifically help you in whatever it is you're dealing with. You can message your own personal counselor at any time of the day. You can also request to have a new counselor at any time you wish, and insurance is not required for BetterHelp. So next time you feel like giving up, next time you feel like you have nothing to live for, the next time you feel worthless or sad, or you just feel finished, I want you to stop, and I want you to take a deep breath, and I want you to talk to somebody. There is someone out there who is waiting to listen to you, someone who wants to talk to you. And sometimes talking can be the best tool that you have. You can open up and let everything go, and I promise you will feel so much more free. It will feel like such a breath of fresh air. I want to thank everyone who took the time to watch this video today. Your mental health is the #1 most important thing that you have. It's okay to reach out and ask for help. You are never alone. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.